movies and TV shows on your MX3 box. The first thing that we're going to show you is our One Channel add-on. Just go to Videos and go to Add-ons and go to One Channel. One Channel is very easy to use. One Channel will allow you to watch millions of movies and shows for free. It works very simply. To watch a movie, you go to the movie section. To watch the TV shows, you go to the TV show section. Now, in this case, let's go to the movie section. Okay. Now, there's all these different options here. The only one that you really need is search and featured. You can try out all the other ones. They all work, but search and featured is what people mainly use. Let's try out featured first. Okay. When you go to featured, you'll see that featured lists all the newest movies from newest to oldest. So at the top is going to be the newest movies, and as you go down the list, the movies are going to get older and older. Okay? And when you get to the bottom of the page, you actually go to next page, and next page, and so on. So, for example, let's go to one of the current newest movies, which is Hercules. Click on Hercules. And this is how One Channel works. You just click on a movie, and basically what One Channel does is it goes on the internet, it goes and finds as many links as it can for that movie. So, and there's so many links because sometimes maybe a link won't work, or maybe sometimes a link was taken down, or maybe sometimes one link is slower than another one or faster than another one. So, in this case, we're going to choose Movie Share. And before we click a link, if you look on the left of all the links, you see how it says DVD? That's actually telling you what quality the movie is in. So that means that when I click this link, it's in DVD quality. Now, you see how it says buffering 0%? There's two things that go into that. Basically, it says buffering. You see how it's still staying at 0? That means that this link that we clicked on is very slow. Now, I can do two things. I can wait to let it load, or since you see it's taking incredibly slow, like buffering 0, I mean, this is going to take forever, you can exit. Now, to get your menu to come back up, just hold down the OK button, and you see a menu will pop down here at the bottom. And you see on here it says play, rewind, fast forward. I'm just going to press stop, because if it says buffering 0, that means it's going to be buffering for a long time. So let's click on Hercules. So again, folks, this is why there's multiple links. Okay, so since that didn't work, let's try this link right here, maybe billion uploads. And what you guys should be doing too, as you start trying different links, you're going to notice that some links work better on your internet connection than others. So like how I just clicked billion uploads, if it works for me, I'm going to make sure I remember that link in my head so I know, okay, when I click on a movie, billion uploads usually works good, or it doesn't work good rather. We'll just see which one, like I said, works best on your connection. See? And in the case of this one, it loaded right up. It wasn't taking a long time to buffer like the other one was. See, it played. So I know, in my case, billion uploads is working good for me, so I'll try to look out for that link. And see, it's playing smoothly, and that's why we didn't wait on the other link, because the other link was taking too long. So now what's great about our box, and what's great about One Channel, is that if you, again, hold down OK, and this menu pops up, you can actually pause the movie at any time, just like if it was a DVD, to play it. You can also come over here and press fast forward, and you can actually fast forward the movie. You see at the top where it says fast forward? Now what's cool, see how the movie's moving fast right now? If you press fast forward again, it'll start fast forwarding even faster. So I think you could press it about 3 times if you wanted to fast forward really fast. And then I think about the 4th or 5th time, it just goes back to fast forwarding normal. So there's about 4 or 5 fast forward speeds. Now, even fast forwarding can take a long time if you're trying to get to a specific part of the movie. So what you can also do, what's great about our box, if you press the mouse button on your remote, it brings up the mouse cursor like so. And when you move the arrows, this mouse will move around. You can actually take this and point to anywhere on the movie timeline and skip to that part of the movie. See that? I skipped right to 40 minutes into it, and then let's press play. Now check that out, see? So that's like if you left the movie and turned it back on later or something, you can go back to where you want to go. So that's amazing. So say you want to exit the movie. Anytime you're trying to exit a movie, be sure to press stop down here. And also, to get off this mouse cursor, just press the mouse button again to move your arrows around, and it'll disappear. See that? Now, like I said, if you want to exit the movie, you could press return, which what you want to do is press stop. And also, to get rid of this menu at the bottom, just press return. See that? But if we want to stop the movie, you could press return to get out the movie, but the problem is that it's going to go back, and the movie's going to still be playing. So what you want to do is hold down OK, and then go down here to stop. Now I'm going to show you what I mean. If I didn't go press stop and I just press return, this is what happens. See? You can actually go start another movie while the other movie's playing in the background. So it's kind of like TV. You can kind of bring up the movie guide and see what else you want to watch while you're still watching it. Now say you want to get rid of this menu though, and keep watching the movie that's already playing. Well, to do that, you just keep pressing return, go all the way out to the main screen over here, and then there's a little menu right here. See, if you press full screen, will actually go back to full screen, or you can even stop the movie right here. So say I press full screen. Bam, that goes away. Say I want to stop it again. Just hold it down and press stop. Hold down OK, then press stop. See that? Okay. So let's go back to one channel to show you some more cool stuff. I know this box is great, guys. I know you're simply amazed. Let's go back to movies. Show you another cool feature. Another cool thing, you can actually have your own favorites list. Just like you bookmark websites on your computer, you can actually bookmark movies. So let's go down here to like Hercules and press menu and go to add to favorites. Again, if you look at the bottom right hand corner, it says add it to favorites. It's actually saved to my favorite section. So let me go back right here. You see when we first clicked the movie section right here? Remember we clicked on featured to look at the movies, but if I click favorites, check out what's in here now. Hercules, okay? So you can actually create a digital movie collection in there of all your ones, because you know you may not want to watch it right now even though you see it in there. So you can actually, as these are added in here, you can save all the movies you want. Okay. Next, let's show you the search section. Or say I want to watch a movie like Batman. Okay, so I'm just typing Batman. And when I'm done typing it in, the name of the movie, you just go over here and press done. And you can search for just about any movie that exists in here. I mean, one channel is amazing. You can watch just about anything. It's a code device. You're not going to be disappointed. Okay, and see, when I put in Batman, it basically brought up all the Batman movies that exist for me. Batman the Dark Knight, Batman Begins, Batman the Dark Knight Returns, just everything, even the cartoon Batman movies. What I was looking for was this first one, The Dark Knight. So I just click it. And same thing, you might want to go through and search for all your favorite old movies and add them to your favorites so you can watch them anytime or prepare them for a movie night, you know? So same thing. I'm just going to look for a link that usually works for me, which is divicstage.eu. And that easily our movie is playing. So it's quite easy, folks. You can watch just about any movie that you can imagine here, like I said. And all these other options, most popular and all that work, but people mainly use featured and search. You can check out the other ones yourself. Figure it out. Next, we're going to show you how to look at TV shows in one channel. I kind of stay away from the featured section of the TV shows because the featured ones may not even be the shows that you like. You know, I have specific shows that I watch, so I mainly stay using the search section. And as you see, the TV show section has its own favorites. So if you say something while you're in to favorites while you're in the TV show section, it'll actually stay in this favorites, and movie section has its own favorites too. So say I want to search for a show like one of my favorite shows, which is The Walking Dead. And see, perfect example, on the shows, I usually click menu and add it to my favorites, because I know on a show, I'm going to be coming back to it every time it comes on. Okay? So we got that show, and then, let's see. We got The Walking Dead. Okay, so let's go to the latest episode, Season 5, Episode 2. I know you guys are excited, folks. Let's keep watching. I'm going to show you a lot more good stuff. Okay, so let's pick a link, for example. And that easily, we're watching The Walking Dead. Ain't it amazing, folks? Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's hold this down and press stop. And that's one channel, folks.